Okay, we're doing another haul. Are you ready? Okay. Every time I think I'm done, I don't know why I don't know why I even tell myself that I'm done. This haul is going to be from Hobby Lobby and Michaels. All right. Now, the Michaels haul, I had a really nice coupon, 50% off one regular item, 15% off all of Easter on sale, or not, well, all of Easter was on sale, but that was 15% off. And everything was 50% off anyway. I got this metal tin, which I love, and I didn't get the Easter one, and I didn't get it deliberately because I wanted this to stay out longer. So I'll get things for Easter, but I also try to get things for spring so I can keep it out until May, end of May, and then starting in June, then I start transitioning into the 4th. And then before you know it, after the 4th of July, I mean, once that's done, I'm right on into the holidays. Because after that, school starts, September, it's Halloween, you know, you're living it too. Okay, so this is what it looks like, and it's galvanized tin, and this was $9.99, 50% off, so $5, and then again the 15% off on the entire purchase. And this is, it's tall, it's not saying the dimensions, but it's more than a foot. So I got that. Remember the paper, don't forget the paper. I can't tell you how much I use this paper in my crafting to lay down and to use for a pattern and to write things down if I need to when I'm doing something. I always save this. But here, and this was a really good deal from Michaels. These I am in love with, and I'm going to put them on my plate holder in my dining room. This was, all of these were $6.99, 50% off of $6.99. So this one, oh, I had to get up. This one, and this one. I might go back and get one more that's just the floral on this, because that can also go all the way into the beginning of June. Well, for that matter, I could even keep the money up. I don't know, because I decorate with bunnies anyway, why not? So maybe I will. Then, oh my gosh, okay. All of their spring floral, and they have some really, really pretty spring bushes and floral bushes. Oh my gosh, you guys. In my kitchen, okay, on the top, like by the ceiling, I have an overhang, but anyway, you'll see it in my home tour. These I got, and I will keep these up normally throughout the year, except probably for Christmas I might bring it down, I don't know. But anyway, these were regularly $9.99, okay, and it has a terracotta pot and a wire hanger, which is going to be perfect so I can hang them across my sink. But anyway, 50% off of $9.99, and look at, these are not little, they are very, very full. So I got 3. Did I get 3 or 4? No, I think I got 3. And then this one is cilantro. But you guys, a terracotta pot, the hanger, and the plant, $5. And this one. I mean, I really thought that, I mean, to me, that's a good deal. I wanted a wreath with the little green boxwood, okay? Because I'm going to put it where it says welcome. I'm going to put it on the O. Well, they didn't have them. So what I did is I'm going to take just this regular grapevine wreath, and I bought this, and I'm going to make my own. Then, look how full this lamb's ear is. This thing is big. This was $6. Okay. And I don't know if I'm going to put this in my kitchen or maybe even in my living room. I'm not sure. Right now I'm thinking the kitchen. Now again, I'm talking for my spring and regular decor. Okay, the farmhouse type. But it can be put now, it doesn't matter. And then, look at this lavender. And it's got a succulent, no, it's got one, oh, I didn't even see that. Oh my gosh. Oh, it has 1, 2 succulents, lavender, lamb's ear. Oh, that's pretty. And it's made up like a bouquet with the burlap. So I don't know if I'll keep it all together or I'll take it apart. I don't know. I don't know yet. Anyway, this was $7. And then I got one more bunch of lavender because this will go into my living room. Because in my living room I have a lot of different colors of purple, cream, and sage greens in my normal decorating. So that's why it's so easy when I decorate for Easter, because I already have a lot of the colors that, you know. Anyway, so that. And there was one other thing from Michael's. Oh, thank you. Thanks, Bella. Shoot, I gotta go get it because I gotta show you guys. Hold on. Okay, and this was from Michael's. This was $7. And I'm gonna put this in my living room. Where I'm gonna put it, I don't know yet, but I do have a couple other galvanized pieces, and then along with the spring. That's cute. Now we'll do Hobby Lobby. Okay. In my Christmas home tour, if you look at it, I had a little goose, and it was so cute. I loved that goose, and I got it last year at Hobby Lobby. I don't know what I was thinking. I don't know what I was thinking. But I was cleaning, getting ready to put up my Easter stuff. And it was on, I had it on it's like a little hutch type thing with glass. Well, anyway, I shut the door and it came, and I had to move because I knew it was going to hit me, and it fell and it broke to pieces. Had it not broke the way it did, I would have glued that back to it. That's how much I love that little goose. Do you know that I was sad about that thing all day long? And I am not kidding. And I thought, Davida, you need to snap out of it. You need to snap out of it. It was ceramic. But I mean, it was so adorable. So I did get to keep the little part that said farm on it. It makes me sick. But anyway, so I thought, okay, I got to get something else, you know, that I like. And I won't just buy anything. I mean, I have to really like it. And since, you know, the den, this part of the house is more, kind of more the farmhouse type, where my living room, like you've seen it, that's more of the shabby chic, Victorian, English country. I don't know what you want to call it, but it's different than in here. So I got a couple pieces, and again, right now, this is just my regular decor. I got this, and this is ceramic. It looks like wood, and that's what the other one was like that I broke. It looked like wood, but it was ceramic. And this was half off, so $17.99, half off of that. This one, I love this one. Look. So cute. And it looks like it's rusted, so it's white, kind of that rusty. And this one was $10. But I love this. I love it. So cute. Oh, I love that. Okay, so you all know that I always tell you this in my kitchen. You know that lamp that I have that you turn on the light and it warms the candle and lets the candle smell and it keeps your candle forever? Well, I had to get a light bulb for it, and these last a long, long time. But I cannot stress enough, get one of these if you like candles. Oh my gosh, it is so worth it. So this was $6.99 for the light bulb, but I used my 40% off coupon on this. It was $5 and it was 40% off, and this will go in my kitchen. And it's brown and with the bunny on it. Then in one of the DIYs that I'm going to be showing you, I had to get these little containers to put what I'm making into these. And it has to do with, all of this now has to do with my faux desserts, because you guys know how nuts I am over this faux food now. Well, faux desserts. So I had to get that, and then I had to get more pastry bags, large ones and regular size. And then I just had to get a package of some more couplers, so I don't have to keep changing my bag. I can go ahead and leave the bag and just change the tip. So guys, that is my haul. So I just wanted to show you and share what I got. And until next time, and there will be a next time because I have more DIYs. Remember, the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. You are special. Don't forget that. Talk to you soon, guys. Bye.